Okay, I'm going to do a little demonstration on the Sorby texturing tool, which is right here. And I just, let's go into forward gear. Rather than throw away the piece that I had just turned, which was a goblet or a chalice that I made, I am now going to turn this lathe down to a speed of right around 500. Get my rest positioned, make sure it's where I want it to be. And you can see the chamfered edge here and the squared off edge here, hopefully. Squared off edge over here, chamfer over here. I'm going to start out setting the chamfered edge in close to the center. As you can see, it just divided itself. It sort of pulled me out of the ring a little bit. Now I'm going to just twist my handle toward me a tiny bit, slowly. And there we go. Take a look at what we got. Hopefully you can see that. I got a very interesting pattern right here. Now I'll do the same thing again, a little further out. I think you can see that. Coming in a little further than where I just was. Okay, it just pulled me a little bit in. Now it's divided itself. I'm just putting firm pressure, but not too firm, toward the center. Whoop, and then you just saw that, it just rolled me out. So I'm going to go back to this one, hit it again, then I'll come into where it just rolled me out to. Start a new pattern. And now I'm going to flip the tool around and come in with that sharp edge on this outer ring. No twisting of the handle. Okay, there we go. I've got a fairly interesting design going on very quickly. And then what I like to do is I come back in and remove all the dust. This could become a necklace piece, like a large single bead for a necklace with a loop of some leather or some strapping, some silk strapping or something in order to finish it off. Forward gear and now reverse gear just to get all that stuff out of there. And there you go. Hopefully you can see what I've got going on there. Zoom in a little bit. Sorry about the slightly shaky cam there for a second. And there you go. A finished piece ready to be strung up as a neck pendant.